Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to export saved passwords on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the password app on your iPhone. Once you open the passwords app, confirm your Face ID. Click on the three dots at the top right. Locate and click on Export Data to another app. Then select all the data or password you want to export to another app by clicking on Select All, or check one of the passwords to select it. Then click on Continue at the top right. Once you click on Continue, then you need to install another app that is ready to receive your exported password. Then once you have the application, select the application and your saved passwords on your iPhone will be moved or exported to the new app. So that is basically how to export saved passwords on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.